Hey guys, so what's up? I'm the instructor. My name is Abdulwahid, and today's title is let's see, variables, JavaScript variables. So before starting the coding, there's some information about the variable. All JavaScript variables must be identified with unique names. So all the JavaScript variable must be identified with unique names. Just make it remember for yourself. These unique names are called identifiers. What is identifiers? Identifiers can be short names like X and Y, or more descriptive names like age, sum, or total volume. The general rules for constructing names for variables unique identifiers are: names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. Names can also begin with a dollar sign and underscore, but we will not use in these tutorials. Names are case sensitive. Y and Y are different variables. You can see the different, this single and this capital letter, because JavaScript is a case sensitive. Reserved word like JavaScript keyword. Any keyword which is inside the JavaScript you cannot use as a name, cannot be used as a name. In JavaScript, the equal sign, this equal sign is an assignment operator, not an equal to operator. Okay, to operate that in JavaScript, equal sign is an assignment operator, not an equal sign. JavaScript variables can hold numbers like 100 and text values like John Doe. So string value, text value ever and always will come inside the quotation, and the integer value is just coming without quotation. In programming, text values are called text string. JavaScript can handle many types of data, but for now just thinking of number and string. Strings are written inside double or single quotes. Numbers are written without quotes. If you put a number in quotes, it will be treated as a text string. So let's talk about it. This Notepad++ and this the title JavaScript variables. And I have saved this page by giving the name variables.html on the desktop inside the JavaScript practice folder. So just for example, what's how we can just declare variable. In the first step, I am just going to write document.write function I am just using here. So you can see this document.write. I am just trying here 2 plus 3. Now you can save this file and just go to desktop and open this file variable.html. So this just variable, double click to open. The result is just 5. You can see here the result is 5. So I've just write here 2 plus 3, and you got the result. The result is 5. So when we are just going to declare a variable, for example, val underscore 1 is equal to just you can see 2. We have another variable 2, for example, is equal to 3. So when we are just writing directly here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so you can just you have another way also. You can just write here the name of the variable, for example, variable 1 plus variable 2. So Control S to save and refresh. So you can see the result is the same. If you change just the value from here, just 5 plus 3, absolutely this is 8. So you can see the result is 8. So there is one more way that you can just use your variable. So you can create another variable. You can give any name, it is just optional. Is equal to, you can say val1 plus val2. Just you can just call this answer ans. I have just given the name. You can copy and you can just paste here. Control V and save. Now you can refresh, so you can see the result is just the same. And if you just change this, just 5 plus 5, save, and again refresh. So you can see the result is 10. So this is just the way of declaring variable. I have just declared here variable 1 val underscore 1 and equal to 5, val2 is equal to 5, and another variable just I have plus val1 with val2, and I have just called the number third variable inside the document.write parenthesis here, and you can see the result is here. So one more thing, if you focus here, I have just val and after that underscore and 1. When you are using just 2 words, so you must use between them underscore sign, okay? Because you are using two words. For example, instead of well1, I'm just using here well, or just you can say wall, just like this just two word well, and you can say wall 2. So just like this. So you must use just underscore between the two words when you are just giving a name for your variable. So this just we have just plus this, and you can say change this also, well, and plus well2, well 2. Now you can save and refresh, so you will got the same result. So this was just about the integer. We have just assigned integer value for the variable. If you just remove this and put a single quotation, I'm just writing here hello, and instead of this for example word, WORLD, word. Now you can save and refresh. So you can see here is written hello world, but if you want to just create some space here between them, so you can use just here where we can use well1, in here you must use just a single quotation or double quotation. After that you need to put another plus. So between this quotation you just can create space. Now you can save and refresh. So you can see we have just created a space here. So we have used just a plus sign here. You can see hello world. We have just ordered here just plus well1 with the well2, okay? Here the plus sign is just performing or just doing the action of just concatenating, not, it is not plusing, it is just concatenating two words. You can see two words together. So you can just use inside this quotation a beer, just like this, to break this. So you can see hello world, and there is some space you can see. Now you can save and refresh. So like this you can just create variable, and you can just assign value, and you can just call that variable with the names inside the parentheses inside the document.write function. So this is just the way of calling variable. I hope that you understand and it's clear for you. So in any case, if you have just any question, any suggestion, so I have already told you my email address, so you can just contact me. You can send me an email, so I will just solve this for you. I will give just properly answer for your questions. So till next video, till next lecture, just watch this and do practice. Have a nice time and see you.